Hello there, and welcome back to the bar for the final episode in this series where we're looking at the commercial implications of good and poor delivery, either way. And we're looking at sort of two sides. We've looked at some commercial implications on internal projects and programs, and we've been looking at some commercial implications on customer-facing deliveries. So your customer-facing your salespeople sell a product, it needs to be delivered, and that process we would call a project. It has a start, it has an end, and it has milestones that have to be delivered in the middle, and it has commercial implications. In this final episode, I want to just concentrate a little bit of time on how important in customer-facing delivery organizations, delivery is a sales tool. And often that's forgotten. They're sort of seen as two separate things, but it's a hugely important sales tool. And there's such an opportunity to take advantage of that. And that doesn't just mean we deliver a good product and therefore we're going to sell more. It means if the salesperson, the business development person who goes in as part of the sale, sells a delivery methodology and builds trust and confidence that we're not only going to sell you a product or a service, but actually it's going to be delivered really well. And then it does get delivered really well. And it gets delivered so that the feeling of confidence in the organization is that much higher as a result of delivery. You will sell more. There is no question about it. You will sell more if you do delivery well, and the perception of delivery is good. So how do we make that happen? I want to sort of show you the sort of example of what I'm talking about. So what we've got here is a little bank of 4 customer-facing projects that we are delivering. And I'm going to go into one, and imagine I'm sitting in front of a customer. So when I'm the salesperson in the sort of the deal process, pre-sale, what I'm doing is I'm saying to the customer, we'll sell you this product, but we also have this hopefully what you'll find very intuitive and easy way of tracking delivery for you, so that we make sure that you know when you're getting the product, it's being received, when it's going to be received. There will be a plan for how it's going to be delivered, and we'll take you through this. We'll walk it through with you the whole way through, so you know exactly where you stand at any given time through delivery. The sort of thing I'm talking about here is an overview of where we are, and we'll give this to you on a regular basis. We'll have little account reviews once every month or whatever it's going to be. We can have them over the phone using Teams or whatever, but we will have our key documents relating to the contract here. So the technical solution, we've always got it there available to look at. The key activities will give you an update on a regular basis as to what's been happening on your particular deployment and the money you're investing in this product. We'll outline a delivery path for you so you can see exactly which steps we're going through and how they relate to commercial milestones that we have with you, so invoice points, etc. But we will sort of go through, take you through step by step so that you know that. We'll highlight key risks, and those risks may be customer-facing risks. So it might be a risk to user acceptance testing, and we'll highlight those in these sessions so we can talk them through. We'll highlight issues, and essentially we'll give you that picture of the program. And when we have our regular reviews, we'll work directly off a projector view, a slide that pulls all of that through automatically, so that when we have our regular sessions, essentially they're very focused, and they're focused on the right things. You do that, and you'll be doing what 99% of companies that deliver products and services don't do. So, you will be providing a significantly better capability and service and perception of control in delivery than nearly any other company, or than most companies in the land. And that inevitably has a significant impact on the salesperson's ability to sell more downstream. So he or she can sell it as part of the process and give the customer confidence that you're going to be a great supplier to work with. He or she, that salesperson, then can sell it again because you go through a great experience. The customer's going to have confidence and trust you more as a supplier. So when it comes to the next order, it's highly likely to come to you. The chances have just increased significantly. Big commercial impact, big opportunity. Definitely worth giving it a go. All the very best.
Thank you for coming to the bar chat today. It's been great to have you in the bar, and I hope you've enjoyed the topic we've been talking about. Now, if there's anything in this topic, if there's anything in this bar chat that's particularly resonated with you, or there's a challenge that you're facing with your portfolio or your program or your stakeholders or whatever it might be, then one of the things that I'm offering is a free private bar function. So you can either come into our very own bar and come and be a part of it, and I promise you there'll be a drink waiting here for you, or I'll come to you, or we'll have a phone call, and we can maybe kick the tires on over a bar chat on a challenge that you're facing internally with your program, portfolio, whatever. If you want to do that, please take me up on the offer. I don't expect anything in return, and I really genuinely don't. You're very welcome to just click the link in the post on LinkedIn. There's a link in there. Connect and register, and we will be in touch to sort a private bar function out. Come and see me in the bar.